Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this little box right here of makeup. So I did a little bit of shopping in actually Beauty Creations a while ago, and I still have it in this box. So I actually did it like towards the end of December. I know, a long time ago, and I'm like, I already opened it, but I'm barely gonna start using it. So I've noticed that they do a lot of sales like towards the end of the year and stuff like that. So I did buy this like on a sale, I guess. And I bought a few items. So it doesn't say here how much I spent, but I think I spent like either $70. But like I said, I got most of this like on sale. So okay, so it comes like in this little cute packaging like this. It says Beauty Creations, says Makeup Essentials arrived, and it has a little hashtag Stay Flawless, and it's really well packaged. So it just had the little like shipping info. I think this one, it was at the bottom, but like I said, I already opened it. So let's get started. It does come with just this. It was really like the perfect size for these items because everything was like well packed. Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna do swatches. We'll try to. Okay, so the first thing right here I have is the Keep Me Blushing Blush and a Highlight. It's a palette. So this is how it looks. It's like a little pink palette. So I do like better like cardboard packaging rather than plastic packaging. But this one is like a little plastic packaging. It does have the Keep Me Blushing right here raised. And it has a highlighter, two blushes, or is this a bronzer? Blush and highlight. Okay, so it's actually two highlighters and two blushes right here. And this is on the shade Night. I think they had a day one, which is obviously like a lighter tones. So it does have a really good mirror, like almost the same size as the packaging. I mean, yes, the packaging. So let me swatch the blushes. I mean, the highlights. I know one of them is gonna be a little light, and then the other one, one of them is gonna be a little too dark. So this is the lighter one right here, and this has is more like a white, like a white gold, and then the other one, it's a little bit more goldy, like a little brown. So I'm gonna swatch the blushes to see how they look. Ooh. So here are the blushes right here. I actually like this one right here, which is this one right here. I thought I would have loved this one a little bit more, but I like this one a little bit more. Okay, so they do have the names at the back, but I feel like I'm not gonna pay attention to that. I wish they would have been here or no names at all. But I do like it. I thought I was getting one of this was a bronzer because I don't think I got a bronzer because I thought one of them was a bronzer. I do have another blush. It says Keep Me, what? So this one is the blush Hush. This one, it's a little, like I said, I keep saying a blush. And let me open it. So it comes in this little cute pink box, and then the blush is right here. It's another like plasticky one, and it has like this I don't know, it has a little heart right here. It's raised so you can feel the heart. And then here's a gorgeous shade right there. You can see it has a little heart right there also. Oh my gosh. So this one is a shade Caress. It's actually a little bit similar to this one, but this one feels really soft. I really like this one. It has a little bit more like orange tone into it, like a little peach. Yeah, so I like this one. It's so this is in the name Caress Me, I think. Oh, I did get a bronzer. So this is the Sunless and Sun Kiss Perfect Bronzer in matte bronzer. This one, I got it honestly, and now I remember that the bronzer shades, they were like really similar. So I had like a trouble. I actually looked up a couple of videos to see which shade I would be on. But I got this one. It's the same packaging, just a little bigger. So this one I got it in Sunny Honey in matte 06. Let me see. So this is how this one looks like. It does have the little heart in the middle also. Okay, so here is the bronzer right here. It looks like it's gonna be like a good shade for me. I really like it. Like I said, I did watch a couple of videos to see what shade I would be on, and that one and the 1, 5, or 7, they were like pretty similar, so I don't think it was much of a difference. So the next item, it is this loose setting powder. This is the Bi-Filter. So this is supposed to be for all skin types 14-hour wear. It has a matte finish. It is weightless. It sets, bakes, and highlights. It says it blurs texture, pores, and any imperfections. It is paraben and sulfate free. So that's a lot of claims. So of course we're gonna have to try it. I don't think I've opened this one before. Let me open it. So this one has this cute little heart right here. The cap sounds like it's loose. I don't know why. Does it twist or does it come up? Oh, okay. So it does twist. So it does have a little like filter right there, which is lovely. And yeah, so this is the one. It feels really soft actually. It feels really soft. Wow. So I got it in the shade translucent, I think. Yeah, it's translucent. Hopefully it's not too light. Yeah, so that was the setting powder. So I think it was like a little bit open. So actually I didn't buy a like foundation because I'm sure I was either gonna get like a really light or really dark foundation. So I only got a concealer. So let's hope that it doesn't have, it's too light or too dark. So they are supposed to have like this little like sticker right here too, because I think I saw a video of like the CEO saying that there was a lot of dupes like with their name saying it was beauty creation, saying that it was beauty creations and it wasn't. So so this, yeah, so that's why it has to have like this little barcode right here. So this is supposed to be a full coverage, easy to blend, won't crack or crease, blurs imperfections, fine lines, and dark circles. So I got it in the shade C13. It has a little heart right there. And this is how it looks. Let me swatch it a little bit. It is like a big size. It has 0.28 ounces. It doesn't have a smell. I think it's gonna be like a good like brightening shade. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one. Like I said, it does have like a big size, and it has a little heart. I love that they have the heart right there. So that was that. Now that I swatched it, it looked like it was quickly like what is it called, oxidizing. So let's see. So I did get 2 lip products. So the first one that I got, it is just a lip oil. So this is the Sweet Ease peach lip oil. They did have like different ones, but I just wanted to get the peach one. So this is how this one looks. I already tried it. I tried it once, so I don't remember like exactly how it works. It does smell like peach, and that is how the like the little spatula thingy brush looks like, pretty big, so to fit your lips. So I know, I mean it's just a lip oil, right? I don't think it's supposed to do like wonders. So the next thing that I got, it is this like I said, I got this one towards the end of December. So I got a few like, well, 2 items of like December, like what is it called, like the Be Bella collection, the Candy Cane collection. So this is the Be Bella Candy Cane Untied Lip Trio set. So I love that it has a lip liner, a lip gloss, and the matte lipstick. So let's see. Let's give them a little swatch. So this is my second time ordering from Beauty Creations. The first time that I ordered, it was Rosie McMichael's collection. And I'm a fan of her, so I really liked the palettes. The only thing that I didn't love was the lashes, because I don't know how to apply lashes, but that was it. So this is the lipstick. This is Got It Twisted matte lipstick. It has like the Crayola scent, and this one looks like it's gonna be like a little bit on the light side. There was another like lipstick like a trio, but I didn't get that one because I knew it was gonna be like a little bit too light. So there is the lipstick. It's okay. It does have the little B on the top from Be Bella, and it does have the name of the collection on the side. Let me swatch this lip liner. I don't like that they're like the twist off. I prefer the sharpening ones because I don't know, I just like those better. And here is the lip liner. I think it's gonna be like a really good combo. This one is in My Sweet Lane. Again, it has the name of the collection and the name of the lip liner. And then the last thing that it has is a lip gloss. I don't think I'm a big fan of this color, but so this is the Candy Cane Untie Miss Peppermintly lip gloss. So let's do a little swatcheroo. It doesn't smell like peppermint. I would have imagined. Oh, okay. I would have imagined it would be like a little peppermint-y. So this is how it looks. Actually, I think I'm gonna like it. This is how it looks. It is just like a little clear. It has a little bit of a brown tint. I thought it was gonna be like a pinky lip gloss, and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like it. But it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Honestly, like the little, like, it's not, you know, it's affordable makeup, right? So it does feel a little bit cheapy, but if it's a good combo, you know, whatever. Okay, so that was it. I do have like 3 palettes, so it does have, I love this little box. So they did put like their little like cards. It says I have 20% off my next order, 1 use per customer. So I love that. It's actually on both sides. So right here it does have like the little card for the setting powders, because those are like a new item. Yeah, see right here. And then I think they also have new scrubs, yeah, lip scrubs, and introducing Beauty Creation Skin. I already saw this. Like I said, I ordered this like a long time ago, but yeah, so they do have a few stuff now available. Okay, so the last things is a couple of palettes. Like I said, when I ordered the Rosie McMichael palette, I wanted to order, I think, oh man, I didn't order it. It was like this sunflower, I think, collection, but I didn't order it. But anyways, so the first one that I have right here is the I'm Snow Cute eyeshadow palette from Be Bella. It actually just says shadow palette. It doesn't say eyeshadow palette. So yeah, so this is the bag. It just has all of the ingredients. It does say caution, pressed pigment and pressed glitter, 90 tints for eye area. It does say do not tested on animals and stuff like that. So this how the it does have the little plasticky. So this is how the palette looks. It says it has this little like shimmery Snow Cute. I like it. And this one is how they look. It does have a mirror, as you can see right there. This is how this one looks. I actually really like this. Well, I haven't tried it. I haven't tried this yet. But, so the first row, I don't know how it's gonna look on my skin tone. It feels like it might be like a little too light, but we'll see. Let me I think this one right here is one of the like the glitters. Yeah, I don't love glitters because, yeah, I don't love them. So let me give them a little swatch. Oh my god, they feel really soft. So, oh my gosh. And it does have like the little like patterns on the actual eyeshadows. So let me swatch some of the mattes and then some of the like shimmers. Oh my gosh, they feel like really soft.
Mommy.
So that is how they look. Honestly, I really like how they swatch. The mattes are really soft, and the shimmers are like fairly pigmented. This one is the only one that wasn't. Maybe I need to swatch it a little bit more. I think it was I think Miss Naughty. I don't know if it was Miss Naughty or this one. I think it was Miss Naughty. Yeah, but I really like it. So yeah, so this is how I'm Snow Cute eyeshadow palette. The next palette that I have right here, it is the Oh Poppy. I think this one is actually like an older palette, because I didn't see as much Like I said, I wanted like this flowery one. I don't know why I didn't get it, but this is how this one looks. So it says girls just want to have fun. Oh Poppy, be Bella. I love like browns and I love like oranges, and you know spring is coming, so I thought this was gonna be like appropriate for that. Look at that. So here's how Oh Poppy looks. Honestly, it looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous. I think I'm gonna do a little short video swatching this palette because we're already like on 20 minutes, I think. But yeah, so it does have like a full-size mirror. Honestly, by the looks of it, it looks really, really good. This one has a little bit more mattes than the other one. But yeah, it looks pretty promising. I'm excited. The last palette that I got, it is this one right here. It's called Winter Spice. They had like a little, like a little, what is this called? What is this one called? A gingerbread man, like PR box sent out to people, you know, and it looked really gorgeous. But and it was on sale, but it had lash and stuff like that. Oh, and actually the lip trio for this one, I was gonna get it, but I didn't get it because it looked really, really light. So that's why I didn't get the PR box, because I wasn't gonna get use of most of the stuff. So anyways, this is the Winter Spice palette. It does say Beauty Creations. So this is actually by Beauty Creations. The other two were from Be Bella, which is like a sister brand. So this is how this one looks. This one is actually like bigger than I thought. It does have the mirror right there. And this is how the palette looks. Honestly, I keep saying honestly. But it looks gorgeous. I kind of wanted it more for like that green, and look at that. I don't know, what is it, like black or I don't know, but I know I'm gonna love these two right here, the shimmers. I feel like that's what they're known for, because that's they had the kind of the same formula for like Rosie's palette, but it looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous. And I'm also gonna do a video with this, a little like reel swatching it. But I really like the what is it called? I really like the the shades that they have. I don't know what I'm saying. It does have the little gingerbread man like right here. Honestly, this light, I don't know why I mess with it, because I feel like I had it good, or maybe because it's a little dark outside. I don't know, but it looks really good. The story, I like the color story. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I feel like I'm now like just rambling on, but that's what I ordered from Beauty Creations. Like I said, I didn't pay full price for most of them, and I feel like you shouldn't have. They are already affordable, so if you want to try them on, it's great and you're not wasting a lot of money. But if you can, just wait for a sale. I think this time it was like a 40 or maybe 60% off sale, so it was great. I didn't pay a lot. Well, it paid like around 60 or 70, but the full price was even more. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did, and I'm really excited to finally get started on this, because I do tend to like order stuff, wait for it, and then when it gets here, I look at it and then I put it in a corner. So yeah, I'm trying not to do that anymore. So I'm excited to use all of these products, finally try them on. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.